Hello world, it's Mike with Tutorials Quick, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to arrange the live loops into the arrangement view from the grid view. So let's get started. Let's pick one of these presets, and let's give it a second to load here. So you'll notice you have all these cells with different loops in them. You can play all of them by tapping the buttons at the bottom here, so all of these in the column here will play if you tap this, or you can play them individually by tapping them. Let's go ahead and stop that and start from the beginning. So if we want to record this into the more standard timeline arrangement view, I call it, we're going to tap this record button at the top here, and then it's going to give us like a 4 beat count in. And then it's going to start recording. So we're going to tap that, and then let's just have this start. So you can play the different sections of loops or individual loops if you want. You can also add effects while you're recording. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and stop this. And now you'll see that you have a new icon at the top left here, and we can tap on that and go to the timeline view or arranging view, whatever you want to call it. Let's get rid of these effects. There we go. And actually you can drag the effects bar up or down similar to the mixer, or you can kind of get rid of it entirely by tapping this button in the top left corner here. So the effects actually is its own track now. So if there's a certain effect that you did that you don't like, you can tap on it and delete it. I mean, it works just like a regular track. You can drag and drop or like split it and cut and paste and all that good stuff. The other thing I want to show you guys is the automation that has been added. So if you drag out the mixer here and tap on one of these tracks, tap again, and tap on automation. So what this does is it allows you to control the volume levels using automation. So to do this, you're going to have to tap and drag this pencil icon to the right up in the top left corner there. And then this is going to create little points that you can control the volume with. So let's create a little volume fade at the beginning here. So let's make a couple of points. Alright, and then to move those, you have to first take the pencil icon off, and then you're going to tap on one of the points you made and drag it up and down. So we're creating a little fade in here. Alright, let's see how that sounds. Well, that's pretty good. Let's just stop that. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is, well, first you have to hit done if you want to get back to doing everything else from automation. Alright, the other thing I want to show you guys is how to copy and paste a loop from the grid view into this arranging view. Alright, so you can go back to the grid view and make sure that you're stopped and the cursor's at the beginning, because sometimes it just gets a little weird if you're not. So you're going to want to tap the edit button in the bottom left corner and then tap on one of the loops that you want to copy and paste. So let's just do this one here. So we're going to tap on it and then tap again, tap on copy, and let's go back to the arrangement view. And we're going to move to the spot in the song where we want to paste that clip. So let's go to about 5th bar here. And then we're going to tap again, and hit paste. And we can just keep hitting paste if we want to have multiple copies of it. Alright, let's see how that sounds. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and that's going to conclude this tutorial on how to arrange using the grid view, and also I covered automation and copy and pasting. So stay tuned for upcoming tutorials on some of the new features that have been added to GarageBand for iOS devices.